Welcome to Module 6 and congratulations on completing the Aztec RLA GED course. You did it! Look how far you've come. So now we are going to take some final steps to make sure that you are ready to pass the RLA GED test. Let's take a look at our tasks. So you're watching this video. The module objective is by the end of this module, you will be able to use evidence to understand, analyze, and create arguments. You'll demonstrate that by taking another RLA practice test. Right now you're watching the video, and then you will go back to Aztec and complete a second RLA practice test and submit your score. So coming back to Aztec, once you log in, you'll see this screen. Then you'll go to View Classrooms and come to your GED Language, Art, and Reading course. You'll come back to the Practice Test section. So here is the first test that I took. To take a second test, all you need to do is click on this link again, and it will generate a new test for you, and it will be a different test than the first test, because if you just took the same test, we wouldn't be able to know if you really can pass. So it will be a new practice test just to make sure that you're ready. So take that test and then submit your score to me on Canvas. You will come to this assignment. So now that you've completed all the unwaved lessons and drills in Aztec's RLA course, you're going to take the test for a second time. So here's some instructions how to log in again. And then you'll come to the top here to submit assignment, and this is where you'll put your score. You'll need at least a 75% score to be ready to pass the RLA GED test. So if your score is 75%, we will move on. If not, we will need to go back and do some more instruction to get you to the 75% level.